Corolla Verso full calibration. Have a neutral. Pick, no codes. Click, and nothing. Okay, let's check the codes. Oh, have codes. 21. Okay, let's do calibration again. Neutral disappear. Again. Come on. Nothing. Silence. Oh, and have red light, active code. But it was, oh, it off. It live by him live. Okay. So calibration again. I even not opened the hood. Don't did nothing in that area. Nothing. What is this, huh? Hey, yo, man. What are you doing? What are you doing there? Okay, let's wait. He will go away and I will turn on ignition. And what the problem? What the problem? Now I'll show you. So this is the solution of this problem. Extra ground, extra earth to the TCM. Very easy and very complicated.